All right, now level out the bucket. Other way. Okay, come forward.
Now do what?
Come forward. All right, lower the bucket. Tilt forward.
Forward?
Tilt it forward. Tilt it forward. Okay, back up. All right. You gotta lift up before you do that. No. Turn the bucket the other way. Turn the bucket. Yeah. Other way. All right, come forward. Turn. Come forward. All right, tilt the bucket down. All right, back up. Tilt the bucket back up. All right, now you fixed it. Now don't do any more donuts, okay? No more donuts. Sure. No more donuts!